The wait for the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 has been nothing short of an agonizing test of patience for the photography community. But as we stand on the precipice of 2026, the silence has finally been broken by a storm of leaks that suggest Fujifilm isn't just updating a camera. They are reinventing the soul of digital photography. For years, the X-Pro line has been the eccentric, sophisticated sibling in the X-series family, often overshadowed by the raw speed of the XD series or the video prowess of the XH line, yet remained the undisputed king of soul and tactile experience. But the X-Pro 4 is whispered to be something entirely different. A technical titan hidden inside a timeless, rangefinder aesthetic that challenges everything we thought we knew about crop sensor limitations. Imagine a device that marries the nostalgic tactile click of a vintage Leica with the computational horsepower of a modern cinema camera, and you start to understand why the hype for this specific release has reached a fever pitch in the United States and global professional markets. The rumors suggest a leap in sensor technology that doesn't just add megapixel for the sake of marketing, but fundamentally changes how light is captured in low-light environments, potentially narrowing the gap between APS-C and full-frame to a point of near invisibility. We're talking about a rumored 43-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 6 HR sensor, stabilized by a redesigned in-body image stabilization system that is small enough to fit the X-Pro's slim profile, yet powerful enough to offer up to 8 stops of compensation. This isn't just a spec bump. It's a declaration of war against the tripod. But the real magic, the reason why photographers are ready to sell their existing kits for this mystery machine, lies in the evolution of the hybrid viewfinder. The X-Pro series has always lived and died by its OVF and EVF integration, and for 2026, the leak landscape points toward a hyper-hybrid system. Imagine an optical window that now features a high-resolution, transparent OLED overlay, capable of projecting real-time exposure data and focus peaking directly onto the glass without losing that crystal-clear, lag-free view of the real world. This is the bridge between the analog past and the digital future that no other manufacturer has dared to build. It's about the feeling of being present in the moment while having the surgical precision of AI-driven subject tracking at your fingertips. Reports indicate that the autofocus system has been rebuilt from the ground up using a dedicated AI processing unit, the same one found in the flagship X, H2S, but further refined for street and documentary work. It doesn't just recognize faces and eyes. It predicts human movement, recognizes the subtle silhouettes of classic cars, and even locks onto the eyes of birds and animals with a tenacity that feels almost telepathic. When you combine this with the legendary Fujifilm film simulations, rumored to include a new vintage reversal mode that perfectly mimics the high-contrast, deep saturation look of 1970s slide film, you have a tool that doesn't just take pictures. It creates memories with a distinct organic texture that perfect full-frame cameras often lack. The design philosophy of the X-Pro 4 is also reportedly undergoing a durability overhaul. While previous models were beautiful, there were always concerns about the sub-LCD or the weather sealing of the complex hybrid finder. In 2026, Fujifilm is rumored to be using a new titanium magnesium alloy for the top and bottom plates, coated in a self-healing Duratec finish that resists scratches even in the most rugged street photography environments. This is a camera meant to be used, bruised, and taken into the rain, not kept in a display case. The hidden LCD screen, a polarizing feature of the X-Pro 3, is said to be returning, but with a twist, a dual-axis tilt mechanism that remains hidden by default to keep you focused on the viewfinder, but allows for high and low-angle shooting when absolutely necessary. It's the ultimate compromise for the purist who still lives in a modern world. As we look at the potential for 6K 60p internal recording and 10-bit 4:2:2 color, we realize that Fujifilm is no longer treating the X-Pro as a stills-only niche product. They are positioning it as the ultimate one-camera solution for the nomadic creator who demands professional video specs in a body that doesn't scream, "I'm a videographer." This is the X-Pro 4, and if even half of these leaks are true, the photography world is about to be turned upside down.